Mrinali, and today's show is going to be very interesting, wherein you will know how to unlock the mysteries of your life. So today we have Nupur, a professional tarot reader with us. Let's get to know more about tarot from her. So hi Nupur.
Hello viewers, thank you Mrinali for the amazing introduction. Tell me, what do you want to know about tarot? And
I would like to know what is tarot about
it's like you're bound to your karma, whether you believe it or not, but it's there around you in a bad or a good way. So tarot is more about reading this negative and the positive energy. I would rather say that I'm just gonna give you the path, you are the one to follow. So believe it, but don't be blind about it.
Is it will it always be accurate, or there's a chances of
Unlike astrology, tarot doesn't have too much about timings or rather too much about that you go on this path and this will happen, or you wear this ring and this will happen. It's more about yourself, your energy, your aura which surrounds you. So accuracy depends upon how much you want to know about yourself. Wherein most of the time when people come to me with a lot of questions about their life, money, love, whatever matter they have, usually they have all the answers with themselves. I just give them the path. I give them the options to follow, and they are the ones to take their track on their own. So accuracy, yes, tarot has a high accuracy rate. So more about it?
So can I just read my tarot so
Yeah,
that
definitely.
I could know better about myself too?
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely, sure. You'll be also happy to know that not only you young people, but a lot of stars, sports people, even politicians follow tarot. They come for their advice, they come for healing purposes through angel. So today I'll introduce you to the entire tarot reading as well as healing session. So we initially starts with the pendulum, which tells you about the energy around you. So it's I'll ask the cards whether we have negative or positive energy around us, and then the person sitting in front of me, in this case you, have positive aura or negative aura, which will lead us to the questions and answer ahead. Alright. People, tarot is an art, but there is a solid science behind it. So whenever we talk about left hand, using the left hand while the reading is going on, it's because it's close to your heart. As we all know that heart is tilted to the left side. That is the reason whenever you ask a question, it has to be connected through your heart. You can ask me a question and with your left hand pull out 3 yellow cards. Perfect. So why 3 cards? First card is your past, second card is your present,
Okay.
and third is your future. You have asked about your career, and that is what I'm going to tell you. It is wonderful about tarot that even there are 78 cards, they tell you a lot of things. So each card changes its meaning when it is with another set of a card.
thank you, Nupur, for that reading. I'm too excited to tell about this to all of my friends and my family members.
Sure.
But one last question. I find a lot of similarities between those tarots and the tattoo that you have on your arm.
Is
so
it?
can I just know something more about it? Like, I feel...
Bang on, Manali. These are 3 cards which are, the center part is called the Sun, which is a major card. There are major and minor cards. So these are the major cards, all 3 of them. This is the Wheel of Fortune, the outer circle, and this is the Magician.
Okay.
So the meaning of this card is the Sun will give you all the happiness and brightness. The Wheel of Fortune will turn all, so the Wheel of Fortune means it will turn all bad things into good. So basically it's changing your life, it's turning your life into a good turn. So the Sun will give you all the power to be happy, the brightness in life. The Wheel of Fortune will make sure things are turning into a positive drive. And the Magician, this is a very tricky card. It makes you smart and it makes you, play all the games on your own. So this will give me all the smartness to turn these things into happiness and brightness. So what I want to do with this tattoo is to keep myself happy and spread happiness across.
And I feel for the same thing and pray for you. So guys, do get your tarot reading done today. And as I always say, be stylish and keep watching Style Up.